Good evening, family. This Thanksgiving month, we move with gratitude and power from Dubai to your desk. It's harvest season for builders. Let's make every move count.
Welcome back, family. This season isn't just about giving thanks, it's about recognizing the quiet power of innovation. The world's moving faster, and creators like us, we're learning how to move without limits. Today, I'm showing you how Heygen, yes, the tool behind the voice you're hearing, just changed the game again. 5 years ago, you needed a team to make one polished video. Now, one creator, one laptop, one vision. Heygen just dropped features that make storytelling faster, sharper, and finally, consistent. Let's walk through it. The new scene builder lets you design full sequences, angles, emotions, lighting with a few clicks. Add transitions, voice timing, and even camera motion without touching CapCut. It's like directing a short film, minus the chaos. And if you're using multilingual dubbing, this is where the magic hits. One video, 5 languages, all with your avatar's same expression. That's reach without burnout. When I think of what I'm thankful for this year, it's freedom. Freedom to create quietly. Freedom to scale without sacrificing self. Heygen made that possible, not because it's tech, but because it's empathy coded into pixels. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Try the new Heygen features today and see how far your creativity can go. Faceless, but fearless. See you Friday.